are all your racing cars. Zim, zam, shabam.
Look, Paw Patrol, all of your vehicles popped in. Woohoo! Thanks, Marty. Knock, 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 knock. Hello? Paw Patrol, are you home? Knock, 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 knock. Who is it?
Hi, Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Let me in, Paw Patrol.
There's all of our Paw Patrol.
Let's go inside.
Okay, Marty. Let's go inside our fun house. Here's our house with all of our Paw Patrol. All right, Paw Patrol. Before you guys get to go riding in your race cars, you have to clean the house. Okay, we can do that. Oh, good. Here is your washcloth. Are you ready to clean? Yes, we are. All right, let's start with the bedroom and bathroom. Whoop. Squeeze me. Wipe everything down. Oh, look what happens when we press this.
What game should we play today?
And clean the bathroom.
Brush your teeth.
It's funny.
Wash your hands and you'll be squeaky clean.
Yes, yes, yes. All right, now let's do this bedroom. This is a big bedroom. Oh, look, there's a fun little snowman right there. And then it's flowers and a sun. Okay, I think that's all clean. Now how about the living room? Clean, clean, clean. Oh no, we didn't close the door. There we go. Keep the door closed at all times. Now that's all clean. Now we need to clean the kitchen. Oh, but are you guys ready?
Delicious.
Are you guys ready to do some dancing? Watch what happens when we press this phone down.
This music makes me want to dance.
Are you ready to dance, Rocky and Zuma? Let's dance. Good job dancing, you guys. Now let's do Marshall and Rebel.
Come dance with me.
Woo! Good job dancing, Rebel and Marshall. Now we just need to dance with Sky and Chase.
This music makes me want to dance.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Good job. Now that all of our Paw Patrol have danced and warmed up, they're ready to go racing because the house is all clean.
All right, Paw Patrol. Here are all your racing cars. Zim, zam, shabam.
Look, Paw Patrol, all of your vehicles popped in. Woohoo! Thanks, Marty. You are very welcome. Funny Marty. So let's put all of our Paw Patrol in their racers. Rubble goes in his yellow car. Chase goes in his blue car. Zuma gets the orange one. Sky's is pink and gray, but Sky likes pink. Marshall gets red and Rocky gets green. Nice. All right, let's close up the house and let's send them all racing. Are you Paw Patrol ready? Here they go. Wow! They all went like crazy. Now let's send them all backwards. Are you ready? Whoops. Whoa! Look how cool that was. Good job, Paw Patrol. Marshall, Rubble, Chase, Rocky, Zuma, and Sky.
All right, little Earthlings, that's it for this story. And now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Ha, you're not going home, PJ Masks.
Hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. It looks like Romeo is up to no good again. Let's see what happens.
Oh, let's go get the PJ Masks. Oh. Perfect. My special mesh balls to get the PJ Masks to fall asleep. Oh, here we go. Woohoo! This has been fun, Rubble. Yeah, PJ Masks, I like hanging out with you guys. Woohoo! But I gotta go find all the other Paw Patrol now. Ha, you're not going home, PJ Masks. My mesh balls put them to sleep. Now let's put them in the back of my vehicle. And let's take them to jail. Here we are. Let's put all the PJ Masks in jail. Whoop. Ha-ha. I got all the PJ Masks. No one's gonna be able to stop me. Oh, Romeo, you got the PJ Masks. All right, just make sure nobody finds these keys right there, right here. Make sure nobody knows where those keys are. PJ Masks, what'd you guys do? Oh no, get the Paw Patrol. Ah! I'll go get him, Romeo. Whew, gotta be careful with those Paw Patrol. I'm coming, PJ Masks, I'm coming. Romeo, he got me, Romeo. Hurry, go away, Romeo, he'll get ya. Get him, Rubble. Get him, Rubble, get him. Ha ha. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh no, I'm stuck up here. How do I get down? Ah, it's Romeo and I'm stuck. Ha ha. Yay, now let's go save PJ Masks. Woohoo, here's the keys. Boop. Let's give a little unlock. Doop. And let's open up the door. PJ Masks, wake up, PJ Masks. Huh? What just happened? I saved you, PJ Masks. Woohoo! Thank you so much, Rubble. Oh, look, you have Romeo and Luna Girl stuck in here. In your bulldozer. I sure do. When I left, I heard Romeo, so I followed him, and now I saved you. Thank you so much, Rubble. You're the best. Woohoo! He made it out.
Woohoo! Good job, Rubble. He is all about helping out his friends. So now, let's see what's going to happen next.
Take this, PJ Masks. Oh, what is landing on me? Oh, it's like mud. Oh, look at it. It's so brown. Oh, we are so messy now. What just happened? I don't know, but I think we're going to need a bath outlet.
Hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. It looks like our PJ Masks got super messy, so we're gonna have to take a bath. Come on.
All right, here we go, PJ Masks. Here's Catboy first. Let's give him a little rinsing. Oh, it's not coming off. What are we going to do? Let's set him in there, let him soak a little. Maybe that'll help. Let's try rinsing Owlette off. And lastly, let's rinse Gecko off a little bit. Ooh, it's getting all over in the water. Alright, little earthlings, we got our Sky toothbrush to clean off our PJ masks. Oh! There we go, let's clean him up. Okay, I think Marshall's all filled up with water. So now let's rinse off Catboy. Oh, look how clean he's getting from us just rinsing him off. There, Catboy, now you can just go swimming. Woohoo! Okay, now we have some green bath paint for Gecko. Ooh, so green. Let's get our toothbrush. There we go, getting all of that brown stuff off. There we go. Now let's rinse him off with Sky. Here we go, Sky. Okay, I think Sky is all filled up with water. So now let's rinse off Gecko. Oh, there we go. Super rinsed off. There, look. Now Catboy and Gecko are all clean, and we just have to make Owlette clean. So here's some of our red bath paint. Whoa! And let's get our toothbrush and clean her off. Okay, I think she's good. Now we need to fill up Chase. Okay, I think he's filled up with enough water. Let's rinse off Owlette. Finish it off with Sky. Sky still has some water. There, look. All of our PJ masks are all clean now. Woohoo!
Alright, little earthlings, that was fun with our PJ masks. But now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi guys! Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam! Oh look! Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.